Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. First, let's rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, we must eliminate 37 on the left side of the equation. So, let's subtract 37 from both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the equation, we must subtract the same number from the other side of the equation. After subtracting 37, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. Minus 13 minus 37 is minus 50. Now, this tells us that x is equal to minus 50. So, the answer is x equals minus 50.